guys, welcome back to my channel. I hope you all are doing great. In today's video we are going to discuss hair care, which is one of my favorite topics to discuss on this channel all year round. A lot of you guys already know that I like to heat style my hair on regular basis, and that causes a lot of damage. So when I visited my salon recently, the hairdresser I consult with regularly brought the damage to my notice, and he told me that Matrix Opti.repair regime is going to be the solution. He explained the regime and he also recommended it so much that I decided to give it a shot because I like the brand Matrix. I've tried their products in past and I also trust the words of my hairdresser. So I decided to give it a go. I have been testing these products out for over 2 weeks now, and I thought this was the right time to discuss my experience with you all. So the regime is known as Matrix Opti.repair liquid protein system. So there are 3 products in the range. These products claim to show results from the first use itself. So let's start with the regime. So there are 3 products in the regime: the liquid protein shampoo, liquid protein conditioner, and my favorite, porosity spray. So now there are 3 main reasons behind hair breakage that you see often. First and the foremost reason is using different kind of chemicals on your hair. Second is going to be heat tools. A lot of damage is caused by hot tools. And third one is excessive hair brushing and using a lot of accessories. Excessive damage means the porosity in your hair is high. So let's quickly talk about porosity and what it is. Now, what is porosity? Porosity is a little gap in your hair that absorb moisture. So there are 3 kinds of porosities: low, medium, and high. Low porosity means your cuticles is closed and your hair do not absorb moisture. Medium porosity means healthy cuticle. High porosity means cuticle raised and hair absorbing a lot of moisture. Now, high porosity hair is a sign of hair damage, and a lot of people face issues like knotting and tangling of hair very quickly, brittle ends, split ends, dry, brittle, breakage prone hair. So when you brush your hair, you see a lot of breakage. Even when you look at the strands, you see a lot of breakage. That is a sign of high porosity in hair. Now, when I started using hair tools on a regular basis, I started noticing a lot of hair around the barrel of the brush that I use to style my hair, and that's when I realized that heat damage, like heat, is causing a lot of hair breakage. Now, my hairdresser recommended the Matrix Opti.repair liquid protein regime because it is made especially for high porosity and damaged hair. So that's why I started using it, and I have seen really good results after just 2 weeks of usage. Now I'll quickly show you how I use all the 3 products in a regime. So the first step is cleansing the scalp with shampoo. I keep shampoo in my scalp for a minute and then I rinse it off. Then I soften my hair length with the conditioner. I apply conditioner, leave it on for 2 to 3 minutes and then rinse off. The third step is the porosity spray. I apply it on my damp hair and apply it to mid-length, like not on the roots, and mid-length. I do not have to rinse it off. It is a leave-in product, and then I heat style my hair as I use it 2 to 3 times a week. So there are 5 benefits of Matrix Opti.repair liquid protein porosity spray. It smoothes cuticle damage. It protects hair from styling. It balances hair pH. It repairs and restores damaged hair from first use. Targets and fills gaps in cuticles with every use. It reduces split ends from the first use, and it also repairs hair breakage by up to 99%. Now, anti-breakage porosity spray is infused with vitamin B5 and liquid protein. It nourishes your hair and it repairs it and prevents hair breakage due to dry, brittle hair. Now, the Matrix Opti.repair system is infused with liquid protein that fills in the porosity and makes your hair healthy and nourished, and it also prevents breakage and brittle ends. So it contains vitamin B5 and liquid protein. The way we eat protein to keep ourselves healthy, this is like the topical application of liquid protein on your hair to keep them healthy and strong. My hair look and feel very smooth. There is no damage, like visible damage is there. You can see here how my hair looked before the regime and after the regime. I have really observed that Opti.repair regime has reverse the damage and maintain the overall health of my hair. It has also reduced the porosity of my hair, of course. I'm in love with the entire regime, but my favorite product is of course the Porosity spray because it is one of its kind. I have not come across any similar product in the market, and it works brilliantly on the hair. It works specifically on the root cause of breakage and damage, and it repairs the hair. This is not a sticky or greasy product. When I apply it in my hair, like I applied it in my hair right after wash, and my hair is not limp or sticky or it hasn't weighed them down. So this is going to work even if you have very fine hair. I will highly recommend you guys to check out the Matrix Opti.repair liquid protein regime. You can visit nearest salon to get the regime, or you can check out the link mentioned in the description box below to buy it online. I'm also going to mention the prices on the screen so that you can see the price of each product. So I hope you guys enjoyed watching this video and found it helpful. If you did, do not forget to give this video a big thumbs up. I'll see you very soon in my next video. Till then, take care and bye.